So this is our fourth problem. Okay. For the given figure below, a distributed load due to water pressure that is acting on the upstream side of the flood barrier. Okay. Determine the magnitude of the support reactions at pin support A and roller support B, neglecting the weight of the barrier. So ito, meron na tayong barrier. Ito, yung barrier AB. Okay? Then, meron tayong pressure coming from water. Okay? Yung exert na pressure ng water. In such a way, yung distributed load is not uniform but varying. So, nakaroon tayo dito ng triangular. Okay? So, again, same concept pa rin sa yung problem number 2 pala. 2 ba yun? Okay, na problem number 2 na kinuha natin yung area. Yung area magiging magnitude ng single point equivalent ng distributed load natin. So, again, recalling na natin yung area ng triangle. Okay, that is 1/2 base times height. In this case, ito yung magiging base natin, which is 1,200. At yung height natin, ito, that is 10. Okay, so let's try, no? Area of the triangle, that is 1/2. Okay, that is your resultant na, no? Or that is your single point. F na lang ang gamitin ko. Okay, 1/2 of 1,200. Then we have 10 feet. So that is kaya pound over feet times feet, that will become pound. Okay, no? So that is 600 times 10, that is 6,000 if I'm correct. Okay? Let's check na natin. So 0.5 times 1 2 times 10. Okay, that is 6,000 indeed. Okay, so that is 6,000 pound. Okay. So therefore, saan ba yan malolocate? Okay, yan yung magiging single equivalent, no? Single point load equivalent ng itong distributed load. So hindi natin alam kung saan yun malocate, tama ba? Or saan yung centroid ng triangle niyan. Unlike yung rectangle, so that is a uniform geometry, kaya sa gitna. In this case, pag triangle, guys, yung force na single point, somewhere dito yan malocate sa this 6,000. Okay, pounds. So, pag triangle, ito yung dapat i-remember nyo. Pag triangle, kung galing ka sa narrower, or narrow na, okay, ito ba? Narrow man ito, di ba? Narrow. Ito, yung wide, okay? Kung galing ka sa narrow, papuntang centroid niyan, that is about 2/3. Okay, 2/3 yan ng mismong length. Ito, 10. Okay? Kung galing ka dito, papuntang centroid, that is about 2/3, 1/3. Okay, 1/3 yan ng 10. Okay, yan yung location ng pag-triangular. Okay, always remember that. Yan lang talaga. Okay, 2/3 of the height pag galing ka sa narrow side. Pag galing ka dito sa parang wide side or wider side, so that is 1/3 lang ng height mismo. Okay, so draw natin ang free body diagram niya, no? So we have here this barrier. Okay, then we have ito. So ito roller man yan. So meron din tayong yung mga reactions gawin natin green. Okay, meron tayong reaction at B. So RB na lang gawin natin. So we also have dito reactions sa pin A. So since that is pin, so we have AY. Okay. Then we also have AX. So aside from that, yung nakuha natin na equivalent single load ng distributed. Okay, that is about 6,000 pound located at from point A, that is 1/3 of 10, or that is 10/3 na lang. Okay, so dito this is about what, 20/3. Okay, yan na lang para exact, no? Fraction na lang. So and also this is 9 feet. So yung angle din, okay, ito 60 degrees. So the same lang yun angle dito, 60 degrees. Okay, so therefore this is what, 60 degrees na. Okay, so dito na lang natin ito 60 degrees. Okay, okay na yan. So what we need is the reaction, no? Reaction at pin support A and roller support B. So same nung problem na kanina. So unahin natin yung simpler, okay, yung RB or reaction at RB or roller B. So what we can do is to take the summation of moment. Let's take the summation of moment at point A. that is equal to 0. So, let's assume that clockwise is positive. Okay? So, una, okay, etong RB, pwede natin yan ma-resolve into two components. Okay, tama ba? We have here the RBX. Okay, and we also have the RBY. Okay, RBY. Sorry. RBY. So again, if this is 60, kagaya ng kaninang problem, if this is 60 degrees, so malamang this also would be 60 degrees. Okay, same angle lang yan. Okay? So, ito yung mga reactions. Yung mga, reactions na merong moment if we take the moment at point A. So, unahin natin yung 60. So, no, 6,000 pala. Okay? So, that is 6,000 counterclockwise, so that is negative, no? Negative 6,000, sorry, times the length, that is about 10 thirds. Okay, 10 over 3. Okay? And then, okay, ito yung vertical component ng roller B or yung reaction sa roller at point B. So, RBY. So, that is about RB. Okay? Since that is kung atin yang i-moment at point A, so that will, ang yung sense niya is going clockwise. So, magiging positive yan. RBY, or in that case, that is RB. Okay? Then, that is cosine, no? Cosine 60. Cosine 60, that is our RBY. Multiplied pa natin yan ng, okay, ng perpendicular distance. This one. So, if this is 90, yung hypotenuse niya, so malamang this is 9 cosine 60. Okay, so that is multiplied pa ng perpendicular, 9 cosine 60. Okay? And then, aside from that, etong RBX. Okay, RBX, going clockwise pa rin yan, RBX. So, that is opposite lang. Kung cosine na dito, so, sine na yan. So, RB. Okay, RB sine 60. Okay, then, yung perpendicular distance niya, ito lang. Ito. Galing dito hanggang dito. That is 9 sine 60. Okay, 9 sine 60. Okay, equal to 0. So, again, same concept. Yung RB, pwede ma-factor out. That is common. So, itong negative 6,000 times 10 raised to the power of 3, ay 10 over 3, ay transpose natin. Okay, magiging RB. Okay, factor out ko na lang si RB, no? Cosine 60 times 9 cosine 60 degree. Okay, plus yung matira dun sa other term, sine 60. Then we have 9 sine 60 squared. Sine 60. Okay? Then, that is equals to, ito magiging 6,000 times 10 over 3. Positive na yan. So, let's take out our calculator or bring out our calculator. Okay? So, unahin ko na yung 6,000 10 over 3. Okay? 10 over 3. Then we have here, okay, 9. Then cosine 60. Then multiplied pa tayo ng cosine 60. Okay, plus, okay, 9. Then we have sine 60. Then multiply pa din tayo ng sine 60. Okay, press equal. That is about 222.222. Repeating, no? Okay, 2222. Okay, 0.2. Okay, repeating. So, repeating yan. So, that is our RB. 2222.2 pounds. Okay, box natin yan. That is for letter A, no? Uh, roller support at B. Wala pala. Okay, that's our roller support at B. Okay, so next is the support at pin A. Okay, so since we now have our RB, so summation of moment na lang tayo, no? Summation of forces pala. So let's start with summation of forces along X equal to 0, going to the right positive. So ano ba yung mga forces going to the right? Okay, RBX, no? RBX, or that is RB, which is equals to 222.2. Yung RBX, so that is what? Sine, okay? Sine 60, no? Sine 60 degree. Okay. Going positive. Okay, going to the right. And aside from that, itong 6,000 going to the left, so kaya magiging 6,000 negative. At saka yung AX, okay, going to the right din yung assumption natin, that is equals to 0. Okay? So, using calculator, yung itong 222.sin60, sin 60, let's transpose that to the other side. Ito ding 60, transpose din natin to other side. Magiging negative ito magiging positive. So, try natin kung mag-negative yan, so malamang mali yung naging, okay, unahin natin yung negative. Okay, negative 222.2 sin 60. Okay? So, magiging positive na yung 6,000. So, that is equals to 4,075. So, tama yung naging assumption natin kasi naging positive. 4,075.52. Okay. 4,075.52. Okay. Pounds. So, that is your AX. And for AY, sorry, that is summation of forces. Summation of forces along Y equal to 0 going up positive. So, ano naman yung mga forces going upwards? So, that is AY, no? Yung assumption natin AY. Then, RBY. Okay, RB, which is yung, yung R natin, RB, it is 222. Okay, 222.2. Then, multiply natin ng cosine. Cosine, 60. Okay, yun yung RBY natin. And then, yan lang ba? Okay, yan lang, no? Equate natin to 0. So, therefore, yung AY pala natin is a negative value. So, that is, ito lang. Ito, change na natin to cosine. Okay, yan. So, negative value pala yan yung AY. So, that is negative 1111.1. So, repeating yung 1 pounds. Or in that case, that is AY pala is equal to 111.1 pounds. Pero instead going up, yung direction niya ito. Okay? So, dapat malagay din natin yung direction ito. Kulang. So, that is going to the right. So, yun. Now, if say for example, yung sa choices is isa lang, so malamang still same nung kanina, kunin natin yung resultant. So, that is 4,075.52 squared plus 111.1 squared. Okay, yan yung total o resultant ng reaction at pin A. 4,075.52 square plus 111.1 square. And that is equals to 4,224.26. Okay, 4,224.26. Okay, pounds. That is your pin reaction at pin A. So, yun lang for this problem. So, guys, if you have seen, baka may mali akong nagawa in the calculation, you can always tell me, ha? You tell me para makorek ko. Okay? Pero, yun. Dapat intindihin din ninyo. So, that's it for this problem. So, we'll be discussing the last problem. Okay? So, this time we will be dealing with three-dimensional. Okay? So, that's it for this video.